Eagle homeowners are no strangers to changing weather conditions. As shown above, temperatures can shift quickly, from chilly mornings to warmer afternoons, followed by rain or even freezing conditions. This kind of variability makes it essential to have windows that are built to handle the elements. Weather-resistant replacement windows are designed specifically to provide comfort, durability, and efficiency no matter what the forecast brings. One of the most important benefits of weather-resistant windows is their ability to maintain a tight seal. In Eagle's climate, where temperatures can fluctuate significantly, even small air leaks can make your home feel uncomfortable. Modern replacement windows are engineered with advanced weather stripping and precision construction, ensuring that when closed, they form a strong barrier against drafts. During colder months, this seal helps keep warm air inside your home. Drafty or outdated windows can allow heat to escape, forcing your heating system to work harder. Weather-resistant windows reduce this heat loss, helping maintain a consistent indoor temperature while improving energy efficiency. In warmer conditions, these windows work just as effectively to keep heat outside. Insulated glass, often with double or triple panes, reduces heat transfer and prevents your home from overheating. This is especially important in Eagle, where sunny days can quickly raise indoor temperatures. By limiting heat gain, your home stays cooler and more comfortable without over-relying on air conditioning. Moisture resistance is another key feature. Rain, snow, and humidity can all impact your windows over time. Weather-resistant windows are designed with durable materials and proper sealing techniques that prevent water from entering your home. This helps protect against issues like mold, rot, and structural damage, common concerns in climates with changing precipitation. Frame materials also play a major role in performance. Vinyl and fiberglass are popular choices because they resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. Unlike traditional wood frames, these materials hold their shape even as temperatures rise and fall. This ensures your windows continue to fit properly and maintain their seal over time. Wind resistance is another important factor. Eagle can experience breezy conditions, and windows that aren't properly sealed can allow air to infiltrate your home. Weather-resistant windows are built to withstand wind pressure, keeping your indoor environment stable and free from uncomfortable drafts. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest advantages of upgrading to weather-resistant windows. By reducing air leaks and improving insulation, these windows help lower your energy usage. This means your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, which can lead to lower utility bills and a more sustainable home. Another benefit is improved indoor comfort. With better insulation and reduced drafts, your home feels more consistent in temperature throughout the day. You won't have to deal with cold spots near windows or rooms that heat up too quickly. This creates a more balanced and enjoyable living environment for you and your family. Noise reduction is an added bonus. The same features that block out weather, such as multi-pane glass and tight seals, also help reduce outside noise. This can make your home quieter and more peaceful, especially in active neighborhoods. Durability is essential in a climate like Eagle's, and modern replacement windows are built to last. High-quality construction ensures they can handle repeated exposure to sun, rain, and temperature changes without losing performance. This reduces the need for repairs and extends the lifespan of your investment. Of course, proper installation is just as important as the window itself. Professional installation ensures a precise fit, proper sealing, and long-term reliability. Even the best windows won't perform effectively if they're not installed correctly, so working with experienced professionals is key. In addition to performance, weather-resistant windows enhance your home's appearance. With a variety of styles and finishes available, you can choose options that complement your home while still delivering the durability you need. Ultimately, weather-resistant replacement windows are designed to handle Eagle's ever-changing climate. They provide protection against the elements, improve energy efficiency, and enhance everyday comfort. If your current windows are struggling to keep up with the weather, upgrading to modern, weather-resistant options is a smart investment, helping your home stay comfortable, efficient, and protected in every season.